morning, my wonderful students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy with your teacher, Recapitulation. So, welcome back to my channel, English is Fun. Students, may I ask you a question? Yes, ma'am. So tell me, when you are happy, what do? That means, जब आप happy होते हो, तो आप क्या करते हो? मैम, मैं खुशी के मारे जंप करने लगती हूँ। मैम, मैं स्माइल करता हूँ। मैम, मैं तो पूरे रूम में घूम घूम के डांस करने लगता हूँ। That's good. Students, that means we do various things when we are happy. So my dear students, today we are going to sing a poem that is related to your happiness. But before that, let us know the answers of the questions asked in previous video. So, there it was given. Read the extract carefully and answer the questions that follow. That means आपको extract को ध्यान से read करना था as well as नीचे दिए गए questions का answer देना था. So let's know all the answers one by one. First question was asked, who was Tara? That means Tara कौन थी? So answer is Tara was a little girl. That means Tara little girl थी. Second is, what did the pot cook? That means pot क्या cook करता था? So answer will be the pot cooked porridge. That means जो pot है वो porridge cook करता था. Third is, where did she go one day? That means वो एक दिन कहाँ जाती है? Answer is, she went to forest one day. That means वो एक दिन forest जाती है. Fourth is, what did the old woman give Tara? That means जो old woman है उन्होंने एक दिन तारा को क्या दिया था? So answer will be, the old woman gave a magic pot to Tara. That means the old woman ने तारा को magic pot दिया था. Now students, I hope you all have matched your answers. So, listen to me very carefully and sing along with me through action. So here we go with the poem. If you were happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you were happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show, if you were happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you were happy and you know it, nod your head. If you were happy and you know it, nod your head. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you were happy and you know it, nod your head. If you were happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you were happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you were happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you were happy and you know it, say ha 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 ha. If you were happy and you know it, say ha 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 ha. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show, if you were happy and you know, say ha 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 ha. If you were happy and you know it, do all four, all four. If you were happy and you know it, do all four, all four. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show, if you were happy and you know, do all four, all four. If you were happy and you know it and you really want to show, if you were happy and you know it, do all four. Students, did you enjoy this poem? I know you have enjoyed a lot. Now students, today's task is you have to sing this poem with actions and send me your videos. जिसके poems के videos best होंगे, मैं उनके names अपने आने वाले videos में लूंगी. So, that's it for today kids. Till then, be happy, wear mask, follow hygiene, maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.